What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be doing a review of the TOPDON AL400 scan tool. There also will be a link in the description if you want to pick one up for yourself. So let's get this thing opened up and see everything that's included with it. Okay, let's move this packaging out of the way. And there's an instruction booklet with it. We have a USB cable, the scan tool itself, and the attachment for the OBDII port. So I actually have a check engine light on, so we're gonna go test this out and see how easy it is to use. So we're gonna plug into the OBDII connector. With the ignition in the run position, we're gonna click OK on OBDII. And click OK. And then we're gonna select the one that ends in 8. And we're gonna read the codes. P0442, which is an Evap system leak detected. And that's the great thing about this. It doesn't just give you the numeric code, it gives you an explanation of what it is. So I know what part this is. We're gonna swap this out, then we'll clear the code and we'll be good to go. Here's the old solenoid and here's the new one. So we're gonna get this installed, then we can clear the code and we should be all set. Okay, the part's being replaced, so I'm going to go back, select erase codes, and then OK. So the code has been cleared. It says emission related diagnostic information has been cleared. We can see that our check engine light is off and we are now good to go. That's a review of this TOPDON scan tool, and I actually like this thing. It does more things than I showed, but I wanted to show it to you guys the same way that I use it. The only thing that I do with these is if I get a check engine light, I'm going to scan it. I want to get the numeric code, and the good thing is this gives you a text readout of why the code is on. After that, do my research and I replace the part. I'll hook the scan tool up again, clear the code, and after that, I'm usually good to go. So if you're interested in one of these, check out the Amazon link in the description. They run about 40 bucks. Not so bad. I think this is a good tool to have around, especially when you have a check engine light, because you can find out exactly why it's on. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.